Hello, my name is Dr. Anderson. I am a licensed pharmacist here in New York City. Welcome to Note to Pharm.D. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for weekly videos. For today's topic, we would jump right into the top 300 drugs as per the McGraw's 2016 Top 300 Pharmacy Drug Cards. I will voice the generic brand name and indication, so listen carefully. Acyclovir, ZYRTEC, genital herpes simplex and shingles. Adapalene, DIFFERIN, acne vulgaris. Albendazole, Albenza, parenchymal neurocysticercosis caused by tapeworms. Albuterol, ProAir or Ventolin, asthma or exercise-induced asthma. Alendronate, FOSAMAX, postmenopausal osteoporosis or Paget disease. Allopurinol, Xyloprim, gout, hyperuricemia. Alprazolam, XANAX, anxiety. Amitriptyline, ELAVIL, depression. Amlodipine, NORVASC, hypertension, angina. Amoxicillin, AMOXIL. This is a beta-lactam antibiotic typically used for ears, nose, and throat infections, lower respiratory tract infections, and acute otitis media. Amoxicillin with beta-lactamase inhibitor Amoxicillin with beta-lactamase inhibitor clavulanate, AUGMENTIN. This is a beta-lactam antibiotic. Anastrozole, ARIMIDEX, breast cancer. Aripiprazole, ABILIFY, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and depression. Atazanavir, Rayates, HIV-1 infection. Atenolol, Tenormin, hypertension and angina. Atomoxetine, STRATTERA, ADHD. Atorvastatin, LIPITOR, hyperlipidemia, ACVD prevention. Azolastine, Estelin or Astepro, allergic rhinitis. Azithromycin, ZITHROMAX. This is a macrolide antibiotic typically used for strep throat, treatment of gonorrhea, community-acquired pneumonia, sinusitis, and acute effective exacerbation of COPD. Baclofen, Lioresal, muscle spasm. Benazepril, low tensin, hypertension. Benzonatate, TESSALON, cough. Benztropine, COGENTIN, Parkinson's disease, extrapyramidal disease. Bimatoprost, Lumigan or Latiste, used for ocular hypertension or eyelash growth. Bisoprolol, Zabeta, hypertension. Bromodoidine, Alphakin P, ocular hypertension or open-angle glaucoma. Budesonide, PULMICORT, asthma. Budesonide in combination with formoterol, SYMBICORT, asthma or COPD. Buprenorphine in combination with naloxone, SUBOXONE, opioid dependence. Bupropion, Wellbutrin or Zyban, used for depression, seasonal affective disorder, or smoking cessation. Buspirone, BUSPAR, anxiety. Candesartan, Atacant, heart failure or hypertension. Carbamazepine, Tegretol, bipolar disease or epilepsy or trigeminal neuralgia. Carbidopa levodopa, Sinemet, Parkinson's disease. Carisoprodol, Soma, musculoskeletal system disorder. Carvedilol, Coreg, heart failure or hypertension. Ceftineer, OMNICEF, third generation cephalosporin antibiotic, typically used in acute otitis media, bronchitis, and community acquired pneumonia. Cefuroxime, CEFTIN, a second generation cephalosporin typically used in Lyme disease, acute otitis media, and effective COPD exacerbation. Celecoxib, CELEBREX, used for osteo or rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, or acute pain. Cephalexin, KEFLEX, first generation cephalosporin typically seen in osteomyelitis, strep, pharyngitis, or skin and soft tissue infections. Cetirizine, ZYRTEC, allergic rhinitis or chronic urticaria. Chlorhexidine, Paradex, gingivitis or skin wound cleansing. Chlorthalidone, Hygrontin or thiolatone, hypertension or edema. Ciprofloxacin, Cipro. This is a fluoroquinolone antibiotic typically used for the treatment of UTI, urinary tract infection, anthrax prophylaxis, or bronchitis. Ciprofloxacin optic is Cipro HC. Again, this is a fluoroquinolone antibiotic. Citalopram, CELEXA, depression. Clarithromycin, Biaxin. This is a macrolide antibiotic typically seen in community-acquired pneumonia, infective COPD exacerbation, and also used to treat H. pylori infections. Clindamycin, Cleocin, a lincosamide antibiotic seen in bacterial infections, susceptible infections due to anaerobic organisms. Clindamycin topical is just Cleocin T. Again, this is a lincosamide antibiotic. Clobazepam, Onfi, Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. Okay, I hope everything was clear, except for my little hiccup back there with the AUGMENTIN. But feel free to make this an open discussion and comment below with any questions. Before heading out, pause here and see if you can answer these 3 questions. What is the brand name for atenolol? What is the indication for ABILIFY? And list 3 drugs with an indication for hypertension. To recap today's class, we've listed the brand, generic names, and FDA-approved indications for the first 50 drugs as per the 2016 McGraw's Top 300 Pharmacy Drug Cards, and then we ended today's class with 3 activity questions. Thank you for a lovely session, and check back every week for more pharmacy lessons.